In this video, I want to talk to you about our 3 oil blend worksheet and how to use that, particularly with the nose method. Now, hi, my name is Leonie. I am the founder and the aromatherapist at Moonhaven, moonhaven.com.au. And I love teaching this sort of information because it is so helpful particularly for aromatherapists or budding aromatherapists. So I've made this 3 oil blend worksheet. It's often a good way to start out when you're blending with essential oils. With 3 oils is a good way to start. You can start off with the primary oil, like in this one it's sweet orange in this blend I'm going to make. Then we need a supporting oil, which we're using lavender, and then our ancillary oil or our base oil, in this case is patchouli. Now in the nose method, in the previous video, we discussed how to come up with a preliminary blend. And we start off with equals, which would be in a 6 drop blend, would be 2 drops of each. That doesn't work so well because the patchouli dominates, the lavender is certainly there, but the sweet orange is absolutely missing. So we decided on a 4, 2 and 1 drop was a good way to start. So 4 drops of sweet orange, 2 drops of lavender and 1 drop of patchouli, because that on this scent blend smelt reasonable. So in our 3 oil blend worksheet, which you'll see here, I've put in that we want to make an anti-anxiety and uplifting blend using the 3 essential oils, sweet orange, lavender and patchouli. And I've got a blend history here. We start off with 222, which we used in the nose method, which is everything all together at the same distance from the nose. Then we decide that we might try a 4, 2 and 1 blend. Now, this is really interesting because we're going to keep a record of what we're doing each time we change the blend and then choose which one we prefer. So what I will do with this, we're going to put in a spare bottle. We're going to put 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 drops of lavender. 1, 2. And 1 drop of patchouli, and see how we like that blend. Now, if we had some time, I would let that sit for 5 or 10 minutes and come back. And that smells okay, but we've lost the lavender and the orange is dominating in this particular one. So what I might do is we might make it a 4 sweet orange and increase the lavender slightly. So we'll put 4 drops of sweet orange, 3 drops of lavender, and the patchouli you can smell in there, so I'm not going to change that. So let's add 1 drop of lavender to this to see if that feels better for us. Now to me, and from experience, I know that's a nice blend for me, for an anti-anxiety and uplifting blend. So I've written down the new combination of 4 drops of sweet orange, 3 drops of lavender and 1 drop of patchouli. I like that blend. So I'm going to put a tick here saying that's the one I want. And then I will write down here, it's my Soothe blend because it's for anxiety and uplifting. I'll put the ingredients and the blend drop of 4, 3 and 1 for 4 drops of sweet orange, 3 of lavender and 1 of patchouli. That's going to be my final parts. And then I can transpose that into how I want to use it in all my different methods of application. So that's a very quick way of how to use the 3 oil blend worksheet. You can download this from our website, which you'll find with the details below. And you can also download our essential oil blending guide, which talks about the nose method. My name is Leonie. I'm from moonhaven.com.au. You'll find lots of information there if you need anything else. And I hope that helps. Watch out for more videos. Bye.